There's a new social platform emerging right now called TikTok. And the big question that many churches are asking themselves right now is this platform safe? So let's talk about it. Well, firstly, TikTok is unique because what you mainly see on the platform is determined by the algorithm, not your circle of friends. And this is very different from what we've come to expect with other social platforms. Here's what it means though. TikTok is like a puppy that needs training. You just have to tell it what to do and the algorithm will listen. So when I first started using TikTok, my feed was mostly Toronto slang memes and rural Canadian boys out for a rip in their souped up trucks. Why? Well, when I first started using the platform, all TikTok knew about me was my location, and that small piece of info was what they used to determine the kinds of content I saw. But what's amazing about TikTok is that the algorithm is an incredibly fast learner. Just watch videos for 10 minutes on TikTok, like the ones you want to see more of, swipe past the ones you don't care for, and you'll notice a dramatic change to your feed almost instantly. So that leads us back to the question at hand. Is TikTok safe for your church? Well, if you've heard someone say that TikTok is just full of teenagers being inappropriate, that can really only mean one thing. That person has not yet trained the TikTok algorithm to show them the right types of content. Inversely, in fact, the more you watch the videos that you think are inappropriate on TikTok, the more that TikTok will think you want to see more of those videos. Again, because TikTok relies on its algorithm to keep you on its platform rather than your circle of friends, it's that much more imperative for TikTok to ensure that it's only showing you the videos you want to see, because otherwise you'll just leave. So it's not going to shove inappropriate content in your face. It just won't, as long as you tell it not to. So really, saying TikTok is dangerous because some people are making inappropriate videos is like saying the internet is dangerous because some people are making inappropriate videos. Now you might say, well, yeah, Brady, we can't exactly escape the internet. It's a core part of our culture now. We're stuck with it. And my response to that is, well, yeah, exactly. Because you don't have to like TikTok. But if you're a church that cares at all about reaching those 25 years and younger, you're going to have to contend with this platform because it's now a core part of young person culture. And so your church can approach it in two ways. Number one, you can preach abstinence. Tell your students to not use TikTok. Hold them to a higher standard, so to speak. But realize that in doing so, you are implicitly communicating to them that you don't believe they can be trusted. This platform is too dangerous for you. It's better to just avoid it. I would recommend the second approach, because I do believe that you should hold your young people to a higher standard. But in this case, the higher standard is not avoidance. It's actually teaching your young people how to use something for good rather than destruction. So teach them about the algorithm and how it's a mirror of what they're watching. Empower them to create content for TikTok that shares the love of Christ to all the other people around the world using this platform. Here's our friend Alex Wilson. Right now, he has 250,000 followers on TikTok, and he's sharing the gospel with millions of people every single week. And I'm so glad he wasn't told to stay off TikTok because some teenagers were being inappropriate. We need more people like him. And guess what? It's not going to be you, the pastor or church leader, probably. It's going to be one of the young people in your church that's going to do it. So if we truly aim to be lights in dark places, if that's what you are preaching, then it can not only refer to faraway nations. TikTok is a growing platform. It has the attention of the world right now. And if we turn our back on it, we're also turning our back on the chance of sharing hope with people around the world who need it, while at the same time teaching our own young people that it's better for them to avoid something altogether than learn to use it properly.